This is the bed off of a 2015 Ford F-250 long bed. And what we're doing is we're going to replace the front panel here as well as this flare side. And because the lumber rack I had installed on this truck caused this damage here, mostly around where it was bolted down, but also in the back here, as well as some other damage that happened over the years. Rather than trying to stitch this all back together, I just decided to place the whole panel. And then I'm going to reinforce this guy here because it's slipped back a little. This side I've opted to just repair the damage. So I've removed the paint and get it down to metal. And there's one more spot I got to do here. And the body of it, the exposed section, isn't too bad. A couple scratches, but no major damage. So I'm going to repair this one. And then I'll fix that hole. Repair those cracks. Straighten out around the wheel well. Both sides, and I'm not going to pay too much attention to the floor pan, because after I'm done with this and I paint it, I'm just going to throw in a bed liner. So that's the project today.